Hello, my dear students and parents. Today, I am very happy to introduce this interactive and intelligent flat panel with you. With this interactive flat panel, Kulkarni Education has upgraded itself to the newest technology available in the market. Now onwards, the lectures will be taken from this interactive flat panel for all the classes. So you will have a very great experience of learning, and I will also have a great experience of teaching from this interactive flat panel. Why so? That is because earlier I was struggling to show all the anatomical structures to you. That is because of the limitations of whiteboard. But with this interactive flat panel, I can show you whatever images I want with a click, or even I can play videos in the background and can teach. So I welcome you all to a new upgraded Kulkarni Education, and I will guarantee that you will have great learning experience with us. Thank you so much.